Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you change your WhatsApp home screen wallpaper and set your own photo. So for that, at first you need to just install an app. So go to Play Store and in the top search bar, search for Designer Tools Pro. Just install this app here. I've already installed it. So I'm gonna open it for you. Now in this app, just click the bottom right option, mockup overlay. Now here you can see there are two options, portrait and landscape. Just select portrait. Now after selecting portrait, just set the photo that you want to set as wallpaper. And now click on this icon here. You can change the opacity by clicking on settings and by like this, make it 100. Now just go to your WhatsApp and here you can see the background is now your home screen wallpaper. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.